good morning students. In today's class we are going to learn divisibility by 6, 7, 11, 12, 15 and 18. So let's get started. Here we have divisibility by 6. Dear students, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. By 2 as well as 3. Suppose that you have a number that is 3360. You have to find out that 3360 is divisible by 6 or not. So firstly what we will check? We will check that it is divisible by 2 and then we will check it is divisible by 3. So let's get started. 2. So what is the divisibility rule for 2? This number ends in 0, so it is divisible by 2. Checked? Now we will see the divisibility for 3. So what is the divisibility for 3? 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. Dear students, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 0, 12. You can see that 12 is divisible by 3. So what is this? 2 and 3. This number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So we can say that 3360 is divisible by 6. Students, we will discuss divisibility by 7. So here you have a number 1792. You have to find out that this number is divisible by 7 or not. So students, first step is what is the last digit? Last digit is 2. So what we will do? We will multiply this last digit by 2. Okay? What is the answer? 2 2s are 4. Now we will minus this 4 rest of the number. We will minus 4 from 179. What is the answer? 9 minus 4, 5. Here will be 7 and 1. Again we will repeat this. We will double this last digit. 5 2s are 10. And we will minus it from 70. So 17 minus 10, we will get 7. You can see that 7 is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. Let's take another example. Here we have 452. So you have to find out it is divisible by 7 or not. So here you have last digit. Firstly what we will do? We will double the last digit. So what is the last digit here? 2. So we will double it. We will multiply 2 by 2. We will get 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now we will minus 4 from 45. यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स जितने भी आपको डिजिट्स मिलेंगी, जो भी आपको नंबर मिलेगा, उसमें से आपको जो आप डबल डिजिट करते हो, नंबर को करते हो, उसे माइनस करना होता है. So 45 minus 4, you will get 5 minus 4, 1 and here will be 4. So you can see that 41 is not divisible by 7. So 452 is not divisible by 7. Clear? Now students, we will discuss divisibility by 11 and here you have number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1234. So we will not do it by even and odd method. So here we have another method. And what is this? Dear students, firstly we will underline 2 digits. हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? 2 digits के पेयर बनाएंगे. 2 digit का पेयर बनाया. Write down it here. Then here you have 12. Write down it here. Now plus it. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. Is 46 divisible by 11? क्या 46 11 से divisible है? No. So we can say that 1234 is not divisible by 11. Let's take another example. Here you have 91718 and you have to find out that it is divisible by 11 or not. Again we will do the same. Last two 18, then 17, and here you will get only one digit. So you will put in ones place. Then plus it. 8, 7, 15 and 15 plus 9, 24. Here is 4 and 2 will be carried over here. 1, 1, 2 and 2, 4. Children, 44 is completely divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11. Now we will discuss divisibility by 12. Students, a number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by 3 as well as 4. 3 and 4. Suppose that you have a number 4492. You have to check it is divisible by 12 or not. So what we will do, firstly we will check it by 3. What is the divisibility rule for 3? 4 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2. We will find out the sum of all digits. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9, 17. 17 and 2, 19. Now children, 19 is not divisible by 3. So we will not check for 4. Okay. So we can say that 4492 is not divisible by 12. Dear students, we have observed this number is not divisible by 3. So we did not check it for 4. हमने क्यों चेक नहीं किया 4 के लिए? What is the condition? 12 की divisibility की condition है क्या? इसमें condition ये है कि given number should be divisible by 3 as well as 4. जो भी नंबर आपको गिवन है वो नंबर 3 और 4 दोनों से डिविजिबल होना जरूरी है. अगर उनमें से वो एक से डिविजिबल नहीं होता है so that number cannot be divided by 12. Clear? Let's take another example and here you have 1 3 4 4. Here students, you have to check this number is divisible by 12 or not. So firstly we will check it for 3 and then 4. Okay, so what is the divisibility rule for 3? We will add these digits 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 and the answer is 3 1 4 4 4 8 and 4 12. So it is completely divisible by 3. So now we will solve it for 4. So what is the divisibility by 4? We will see the last two digits. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then we can say this number is divisible by 4. So 144 is last digit, last number. So we will divide it by 4 and we will get the answer, okay, 11. So it is completely divisible by 4. So we can say that 1344 is divisible by 12. Clear students? Now students, we will discuss divisibility by 15. Dear students, a number is divisible by 15 if it is divisible by 3 as well as 5. If you have to find out the divisibility rule for 15, firstly you will check that number is divisible by 3 and as well as 5. Clear? Suppose that here you have 342 and you have to check it is divisible by 15 or not. So what we will do? We will check it for 3 first, then 5. So 3 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So this number is divisible by 3. Clear? Now we will check it for 5. Dear students, what is the divisibility rule for 5? The divisibility rule for 5 is if the number ends in 0 or 5. If नंबर एंड्स इन 0 और 5, अगर किसी नंबर के लास्ट में 0 या 5 आता है सो वो नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल होता है. Here it is last digit 2, not 0, not 5, so it is not divisible by 5. If this is divisible by 3 but it is not divisible by 5, so we can say that this number is not divisible by 15. What is the condition? This number should be divisible by 3 as well as 5. But we have proved that this number is divisible by only 3, not 5. So it is not divisible by 15. Now let's take another example. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 0 and you have to check it for 15. That this number is divisible by 15 or not. So firstly we will check it for 3 and then 5. So the divisibility for 3 is, we will add these digits together and if the answer is divisible by 3, so that number is divisible by 3. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 0, 6. So you can say it is divisible by 3. Now we will check it for 5. So what is the divisibility for 5? The number should be end in 0 or 5. And here you have 0. So it is also divisible by 5. So we can say that this number is divisible by 15. Now students, we will discuss divisibility by 18. A number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by 2 as well as 9. 2 and 9 both. Dear students, if you have a number 216 and you have to check this number is divisible by 18 or not. So firstly we will check it for 2. So what is the divisibility rule for 2? The last digit should be even. 6 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. Now we will see divisibility rule for 9, and the rule for 9 is we will add all the digits of the number, and if the answer is divisible by 9, then this number is divisible by 9. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 6, 9. 9 is divisible by 9. So you can see that this number 216 is divisible by 2 as well as 9. So we can say that 216 is divisible by 18. I hope I am clear to you. Thank you so much students.